demons that are looking for people like me, you think your skills can help you escape them? Huh? I told him march. It's 120. I told him keep marching. Then he went to some point, he balanced, and then I put a prayer sound. Then the vehicle was I went to pray. So we are moving. That's how I charge myself. When I get to the meeting, I come out of the car. My head is smoking. The car is smoking, I'm smoking. Because I don't, there is something. It's not, you are not looking for anything from God. You just want to ventilate. What is this? That's why Paul called it exercise your spirit. You have gone to the gym before? Huh? So it's like you are exercising, you are gymming. You are gymming. You see this brother now that he's slim? You see, don't look down on this brother. You don't know his potential until he enters a gym. Then stand up, let me see you. Don't look down on a man until he enters a gym. I saw a brother very slim when we were in school. He began to gym. Suddenly I looked at this brother. If you see his chest like this, and if you pass me, he will do like this. The reason, you see, there are people that lack confidence spiritually because they don't go to the spiritual gym. You know that time in prayer, you felt like stopping, but the Holy Ghost, he's penning, you felt like stopping. Now I teach people that there are 7 purposes of prayer. One of the purposes of prayer is spiritual training. You ask people, they say the reason for prayer is to communicate with God, and that's not the only reason for prayer. That's number one, but that's not the only. Prayer is for